Hi, Junie. Hi, Bella. Hi, Freckles. Freckles, you're so beautiful. Freckles wants a home. She had 11 puppies, and now they're all gone. And she would like a home. This is our new Pyrenees Golden. She's awfully sweet. Hi, MJ. Hi, Smiles. These are the Border Collies that came in very, very skinny. And of course, a couple weeks later, she had babies. She's got 6 babies. Just giving her a break from her babies. There's MJ. So, hi, MJ. Hi, Brooklyn. There's Clara. There's Smiles. Smiles. You ready to go back and see your babies? There's Junebug. Some of them have gone to bed. Hi. They come in and out of their crates. Don't mind my mess, guys. Say hi, everybody. Say, who wants to adopt us? That was a mama, too. But she's all fixed, and her babies are all gone. Oh, here comes Polar. What else do we have out here? Polar. Polar. We have multiple fenced-in areas, guys. Multiple fenced-in areas. Hi, Brooklyn. Hi. Hi, Smiles. Hi, Smiles. Oh, and there's Kitty. Say hi, Kitty. I had to move Kitty out here to the patio part because she didn't want to be in the puppy room, and I don't blame her. Okay, let's go to the office. Lots of laundry to do. Who wants to come out? Hi, Bubba. Hi, everybody. Hi. Oh, Kaio's in his crate because I had to go do an errand. That's my personal dog. He's half coyote, half retriever. Hi, everybody. Bella. This is my other personal dog, Lady. Come on. Hi, everybody. Hi, Kaio. Why don't you go out and go pee? Come on, let's go. Oh, there's our new little red healer. She's beautiful. All right. Just a little focus on my day. This is the office. We used to have rugs in here, and of course we had to rip them out. There'll be no dog fights, guys. No dog fights. Everybody's going to get along. Who wants to give Mommy a kiss? Hi, everybody. Hi. I think they all think I'm their mom. All right. Welcome to my world. We need some adoptions. Who wants to be adopted? Junebug, you want to be adopted? You want to be adopted? Aww. I love you, Junie. I love you, too. She's a full-size adult. And then this new golden, Pyrenees puppy. She was roaming the streets in Livingston, Tennessee. We pretty much have a home for her.